Have you ever wondered what would happen in your house if you mix garlic and bay leaves? Well, it's shocking and you won't help but try it yourself. Garlic and bay leaf have been used since ancient times to chase bad energies and unwanted spirits that haunt our homes. Negative energy can be rampant and spread everywhere, and most likely it has impacted you at some point of your life. This may seem a bit fictional and made-believe, but it's real as your mom and dad. Carrying negative vibes is so pernicious to oneself, especially when they are most vulnerable. If we let negative energy into our life and allow it to invade our homes and our souls, we will constantly feel it, manifesting itself either in the form of family disputes or as a creepy feeling of emptiness and anguish that prevents us from performing normally in our lives. Anyway, these energies do influence our life one way or another. Today I will provide you with a homemade recipe that will help you get rid of all bad vibes in your home and your life. In the blink of an eye, problems will fade away as they've never been there. So put this into practice and you will see how peace and good fortune will rain back onto your home and your entire family. The best thing is that it is a very easy to make recipe and with completely natural, non-magical ingredients. Here what you will need to make this bad vibes expeller: 7 cloves of garlic, 7 bay leaves, 1 liter of mineral water, 1 small lidded bottle. Fill your bottle with water and place the peeled garlic and bay leaves inside of it. Close the bottle very well and leave it in a visible place in your home where everybody can see it. Just a few days and you will notice how the bottle started absorbing all the bad energy. And little by little, you will feel a dramatic change in the atmosphere and even the attitudes of people around you. And if necessary, you can place it in your workplace as well. So, are you skeptical whether or not this actually works? You must give it a try, you've got nothing to lose. It is a completely natural recipe. In the end, you need to know that positive mind lead to positive vibes, lead to positive life. Take care.